Good morning, everyone. Just giving the horses their brekkie. Just waiting for Rocco to come up. Here he comes. Nope, he's thinking about it. Good boy, Rocco. Good girl, Feather. Good boy. Just shut the gate. We're going to go for a ride this morning and we are going to explore some more of those trails. Got my friend Kira is going to come and ride Rocco. Walk them in so they can't run up the back. A couple more jobs to do yet. We'll feed the chookies. There's Jemima. Where's all the chookies? Chook, 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 chook. Honestly, they get themselves in, but can't find the way out. You can come out through the garage. Come on, chookies. Come on, girls. Chook, chook, chooks. Through the shed. Good girl, Gwendolyn. Off you go, Gertie. Come on, chookies. Go and get your brekkie before the wild ducks eat it all. That's good, kids. Whoa, two girls sitting on eggs. We'll leave them be. Okay, some eggs for brekkie. Yum, yum. That's it.
Yeah, I already feel that he's already a man on a mission.
Yeah.
Like, yep, I don't know where we're going now, so
Yeah.
we're gonna go fast.
Somewhere new. Good girl, Feather. Yeah, keep going, buddy. We're coming. He does that a bit. He just checks we're still there.
I love that.
He's adorable. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. There might, oh, I wonder if it's too bushy for much of a view up the top there. Hopefully we get a view. That's it. Good girl, Feather. Oh, look at this. This is, you're comfortable with this? You're good with going up here, Kira?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Whatever you're happy to do.
Yeah. Oh, you having a little break?
She's like, stuff, Mum, this is a bit much. This is a lot of hills.
You're fit, darling. Let's go. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, look at this up here. Good girl. It's just a big rock, darling. Good girl.
Good job. Good pony. Good boy.
Whoa. Oh, look at this.
Isn't it gorgeous? It would be a nice spot for lunch, like if you had lunch.
Oh, wouldn't it? It's just so pretty here, isn't it? And so close to home, which I love.
Yeah.
You haven't had to, you know, do an hour's float ride. Yeah. Because they've had a workout before they get there then.
Yeah. Boy. Going. Good boy.
Good girl, Feather. Gotta find a truck again. Our truck seems to have disappeared. Oh well, we just go bush for a bit, hey? We find a truck. Oh, here's a truck. Oh, look. Good girl, Feather. Good girl. Good girl. You are such a good baby. Good girl, Feather. Traffic jam. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Okay, let's do it. Good girl, Fedler, good girl. And walk. Good girl, good girl. Woo. They are good girls. Good girls. Good boy, Stormy. So I've just put some more hay out for the horses. Good boy. Good boy, Rocco. Hey, Chad. How you going, Chad? You good boy. Yeah. You good boy. You're so fluffy. Look how fluffy you are. Get all that hair off. Look at it going. I'll give you a good brush. I need to give you a good brush. We do. Here comes Rocco. Here comes Rocco. Hi, darling. Good boy. Good boy. Feather's got some hay too. And we've got a chiropractic appointment in an hour. So it's not too far away. It's just a short float ride, about 20 minutes or less. And I'll just fill her belly now. And we'll go and do that soon. I've just got time to make a coffee and we'll get on our way, get you checked out. She's fine. This is just a checkup. She was at the chiropractor a couple of months ago, and this is just a recheck just to make sure everything has stayed in place and is where it should be. Her neck at the pole was out just a tiny bit, and her jaw a little bit as well. So it's just going to have a recheck.
There, no pain here anymore.
Excellent.
Great. And she's managed to keep that top end of the neck out of trouble too, so we're all nice and balanced through here. Yeah.
Beautiful. Good girl. I've got Chads here. We've got to separate them to feed them because obviously they all get different amounts. Okay, Dad's got Rocco's. Chad, come on buddy, here's yours. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Hang on, yeah, come out here. There's some hay for you here too. There's a good little boy. Okay, Lincoln, what are we going to call this one? This is the one we haven't decided a name on yet.
I'm not sure yet.
What do you think, Dex? She's so pretty. She or he, you're very beautiful. It's okay. No one's hurting you. No one's hurting you. Okay, you pop her in. Maybe we call, what about Jamie?
I like Jamie.
Jamie's a nice name for a girl or a boy. This is Taylor. We're going to call this one Taylor after Taylor Swift. We don't know if these are girls or boys yet. We don't care. We just got them because we wanted some ducks for Jemima. But they're a little tiny bit small, so we're going to keep them in here until they're a little bit bigger, and then we'll put them out with Jemima.
You ready to put in?
Okay, we've got Coco here.
Might have to cut this straight.
Coco's got to go straight in.
Why?
He was a wriggler. Okay. Nope. Don't go anywhere, Jessie. Good. We think Jessie's a boy. He's quite feisty. Okay, in you go then. Lovely. Lincoln did so well helping. They're all in there. They've got a lovely little house in there. They've gone to the furthest corner. They got hay and they've got shavings down. They'll be very happy here for a little bit. Got a big bowl of water and some food. Fresh air. Nice and safe. Good. That's a good Taylor. No, you're okay. I know. You were all nice and cozy. We're trying to get them used to cuddles.
Yeah, don't they?
Yeah, do you like them? Good girl, Brian. Good girl. Did you want to see Coco? Good girl. Good girl. Oh!
That's Coco.
Coco's a bit sassy. Coco, it's okay, buddy. Okay, you've got to get used to being cuddled. You've got to get used to being cuddled. You're so beautiful. Okay, you're okay, Coco. You're okay. You're okay, darling. You're okay. You're okay. Jessie, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's a good little Jessie. There you go. There you go. Be gentle, Briar. Gentle. Good girl. Yeah, they're nice. They're nice, aren't they, Cinder? They're lovely.
Jamie is not like this when I put him in the cage.
Jamie's a good kid.
I'll just get head butted in there or something.
Hey? Yeah, do you like your new duck friends?
Coco's gossiping or something.
Yeah. Coco and Jessie's in there complaining. Jamie's awesome. What a good little ducky. He or she is going to be a nice, quiet cuddler. The house has just been cleaned out, so it's airing out. Don't know what they're eating in the dirt, but anyway.